Hello, my name is Jeannie Dickson and I'm a watercolor and lettering artist. Today I'd like to introduce you to my new MaimeriBlu Jeannie Dickson watercolor set and invite you to create a fun lettering piece with me. MaimeriBlu features a broad spectrum of 90 brilliant colors, so choosing only 6 colors wasn't easy. This actually challenged me to choose 6 colors that would mix just beautifully. The first 3 vibrant colors are primary red magenta, turquoise green, and yellow vanadium, as well as 2 of my favorite secondary colors, Quinacridone violet reddish and orange lake. The 6th color I chose was a more earthy color, Yellow Ocher, that could be mixed with all the other colors to create a more muted color palette. For this piece, I'm combining typography and florals. For the letters J and Y, I used a font from my computer, printed it, and then traced it onto my watercolor paper. I used a font that had a strong contrast between thick and thin lines. The wider areas allow me to color them in. I also replaced the letter O with a pretty flower. This is a great way to create one-of-a-kind lettering pieces, and I love adding all the other floral details around the big, bold letters. Follow along as I finish painting this fun lettering floral piece.